Hi, good morning. In this slide, we will talk about phylum Echinodermata. These are deuterostomes with radial bodies. Deuterostomes with radial bodies. General characters are echinoderms. Echinus means spiny. Dermis means skin. These skins, the organisms of these phylums skin has a spiny. These are non-chordate deuterostomes with enterocoelomates. Non-chordates deuterostomes with enterocoelomates. All are marine. The adult organisms has radial symmetry. Adult echinoderms are radial symmetry, but in larval stage they show bilateral symmetry. Body wall is thick and body surface is spiny. Echinoderms possess mesodermal endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles. That's why the name called echinodermata. In some animals, the spines are modified into pedicellariae. Next, the most distinct feature of echinodermis is ambulacral canal. Ambulacral canal or water vascular system or ambulacral canal derived from the coelom, which helps in locomotion, capture and transport of food and respiration. Water enters into umbilical canal through a pore that is called madreporite. The water enters into umbilical system through a pore that is madreporite. Circulatory system is open type without heart and blood vessels. Respiratory organs are papillae or dermal bronchi or cochal respiratory trees. Special excretory organs are absent. Nervous system is poorly developed and the brain is absent. Sense organs are poorly developed. Sexes are separate, means dioecious, but do not exhibit sexual dimorphism. Reproduction is sexual. Fertilization usually external. Development is indirect with a free swimming bilaterally symmetrical larva. Power of regeneration is remarkable. Some exhibits autotomy. Auto means self, to means cut, self mutilation or self amputation. When captured by a predator and the lost body parts are regenerated. A hypothetical larva diplurula is considered the ancestor of all echinoderms. So examples are Asterias, Echinus, Antedon, Cucumeria and Ophiura. These are the general characters of Echinodermata. Radial symmetry, but larvae are bilateral symmetry. Umbilical canal, a poorly developed nervous system. Coelom is present. So next one is these are the deuterostomes with enterocoelomates, spiny surface. These are the some characters of phylum Echinodermata. Okay, thank you.